business. Makain na sila. Yum, yum, yum.
Mine. Sweet. Let's blow them.
Oh.
Puppy. Bye-bye food.
Bye-bye.
Now not out. No.
Where you have blue. What's that?
Where are we going?
To Japan.
Saan sa Japan?
Look, in the airplane.
Ah.
Look, in the airplane.
What
Flavors are melting in my tongue.
Is it delicious?
Yeah, my taste buds are exploding.
How about you, Elena? Is it delicious?
Yes, but it's kind of like this right now. It's plastic.
Okay, after hectic immigration, medyo maraming mga bagong batas sa immigration. So, yan mo naman, yung mga luggage, magkakasama. Galing.
Is it with Lola Enrique? Tapos may mga kurtina.
Okay na, you're good na. How are you, kids?
Hi guys.
I follow a house.
Wow.
First dinner, sabi ni Enrique, perfect bun. Daming.
Hi guys. Elena, can you do this? Lights?
Video man.
The clown? Kinda scary.
Ano yan?
There's tattoo.
Where?
There, there's strawberry.
Is that a person? Ah, there's ice cream, ano ko?
Tattoo.
Oh, yeah. Ay, it's closed na eh.
Pakawala mo naman siya.
Video to.
Mga untog ni Elena.
Okay lang, video ko to.
Kuhanin mo ako.
Let's see if you're dandruff.
No! What? Are you?
I'll start.
No!
Hey guys, we are. This is our second day in Japan. Look, what's on? And look down here.
So what are you eating?
Stuff.
Which do you like the most?
There's supposed to be a sausage there, which is my favorite, but it's gone because I love it so much.
How about you, Elena? What's your favorite there?
Oh, and also the seaweed. Seaweed.
Go! Okay, second day. Enrique, where are we going? Second day.
Second day, we are going anywhere we want to go.
Dito lang tayo na. Dito lang kami. Yan yung holiday ito sa...
I want to go back to the store and go to one
Let's ride the boat muna, anak.
After this boat, go to certain
Okay.
Yay!
大黒橋と言います。実はこのね、大黒橋ね、一見ね、古そうに見えないんですけど、何度もリニューアル工事が繰り返されて、今のこの綺麗なデザインになっております。で、この道頓堀川、この川自体はですね、自然な川ではなく、グリコの駅になってしまったようなシャッターチャンスでございます。で、今日はこのグリコの前でね、ストップしますんで、たくさんグリコさんのお写真撮ってらしてください。で、このポテトのこれもね、この辺にあるな。
Thank you, Tata, for the food.
It's ice cream.
Oh, tanggalin yung mga damit.
Tingnan si tata ko.
Miki. 1, 2, 3, 4. How are you, Elena? Huh? Are you excited? Really?
Can Kuya come?
He doesn't want to come. Enrique, how are you? Enrique. Oh, it's turning.
I thought I was gonna.
Yeah.
30 minutes.
We're going to turn around in 30 minutes, in 10 seconds.
Yeah. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, What is happening?
Ito kami sa Namba Park. At uwi sila. Ebisubashi. Yung lagi namin hindi napupuntahan dahil nasa kabilang dulo siya ng Shinshibashi.
Ito talagang timpla ng ano. Sabi ko, bakit scratch? Bakit malamig?
So, breakfast kami, going to Ryukyu.
Kuya.
Good luck sa atin. Hindi ka na to. Rinko Station. So, walang escalator sa Rinko Station. Okay. Hi! Elias!
Yeah, look at that. Kuya,
Ayun, umiinom si Kuya. Okay lang. Hi guys!
oh yeah.
Hindi kayo,
Ay, hindi kay.
Ooh, I want to go in there.
Hindi kay. Hindi kay, look. Ay, don't throw at each other, ha? Careful.
Look, small rock. Oh, big rock.
Oh, don't throw, ha? Oh, dyan. Oh, tingin. Elias. Oh, 1, 2. Ah.
Train now arriving is the Rapido Beta Limited Express bound for Gunma. The next stop is Izumasada. この電車は
I want to eat. I don't want to eat. I want to water. Water, please. Food, please. Yes, please. Yes.
土平日やからやっぱ週末このあと3回の週末多分
Okay. Ano na? Ano to? Fourth day? Third day?
5 days.
Fourth day, papuntang Kyoto. Good luck sa ating lahat.
wow, ay pinapanood na. Kabili lang.
In my heart.
내가 스페인 여행이 좋았던 게 뭐냐면 그 진짜 갑자기 가가지고
Is this beautiful, baby girl? Huh? Is this beautiful? You want to wear that? Huh? Yan o, Elena. Like that? Elena, oh, look at that, Elena.
選ぶ気ないの。Your kimono is here. よ。Okay. それ。You can choose. Excuse me. You can choose here. Ready? Okay. Which color do you like?
O, diyan ka anak ko. Ay, sus! Ay, hindi ka naka, ano? Not sandals? Oo. Hi, Elena. Hi, Kuya.
But she's from Cebu. Uy, cold yun, uy. Mami.
Iyan mo na muna. Tara na. Enrique, that's the road. Okay, dito kami sa Umuhori. Dahil sa napakagaling na pagkakamali ng binabaang station. Yan. So nagkamali kami. Bumaba kami sa... Ay, nako, ayoko na. So ito na, try namin magsagano, romantic kung meron mang ticket pa. Pero base sa mga naglalakad na taon to, wala. Good.
That's why it's called coolish.
Okay. Guys, so it's cold. You still like ice cream, guys? Why?
It's ice cream.
Okay.
No.
Parang ako pa may kasalanan dun, ah. Oh, sus?
Ice cream's the best. Did tell me. Oh, I think it's when I have
Hawak ko si Elena.
Ooh, why do I see green? What's happening there?
Oh, look, blue.
Into the unknown.
Oh.
Whoa.
Wow.
Looks like I see a beam. I see a beam. Yeah, it looks so bloody. It looks like it's flooding. Right, Kuya? It looks like it's flooding, right? What? Whoa.
Next slow mo talaga sila dito para makita.
Look, it's paranormal parachute. Kuya, you know what on top of the ground? What? Well, on top of the ground. I'm scared.
Ay, Elena.
Elena, move back, step back, guys.
What?
Step back, guys.
What? That's all stuff.
Muna tong normal na ano.
Mommy,
Dito kami sa
Mommy, don't
Ainan ng Lukua, Osaka Station. Elena, tulog.
Stop.
Isang ano naman tayo, di ba? Namba walk sa naman na baba na.
So, this is, ano to? 39:31 to fourth morning, no? Pero fifth day. And last full day para sa aming Osaka na. One, two, three. Wow! Smile!
Go, go, go.
Not yet.
E to the L to the E and A. 1, 2, 3, 11.
Run!
Winner every day! Ay, din sa muna mo kung ba hindi rin ko.
Bilis na, bilis.
Hello.
Enrique.
Hello, guys. This is what it's supposed to look like.
Yeah. It records how you do it.
And I changed it.
Oh! That's good. Oh, yeah, that's Elias.
I
Shades.
come
Oh,
back-
that's
I come back
Elena's.
on my-
That's yours, Elena. Whoa!
What's that? What's that?
Oh!
Oh, a heart. Oh, very cute.
Oh, don't pick the flowers.
Just from the leaf.
guys, kamusta?
Good.
Is this a good experience?
Yes.
Yes.
But I want to eat now.
Okay, we will. Oy, Enrique ha, don't ano ha.
Huwag mo kayo bilog-bilog. Saan na yun? Kinain mo muna ng noodles ko. Yan, yan.
Ito nga yung parang Fifth Ave nila. Ito yung parang Fifth Ave. Ano natin kung bukas yung... Okay, pauwi na kami. Thank you, Holiday Inn. Kaya lang, masyadong red light. Okay, so ito yung van namin. It's a 9-seater. Okay. Bye, Holiday Inn!
Holiday Inn na.
Okay, after malupitan, immigration, check-in, dito na kami. And then I'm still sleeping. Good luck sa amin. Reality. Yung mga ngayon, nagsishomay. Yan na po.